Hey look, I have a big box. Hey everybody, it's been a while since I made a video last, and today we're unboxing the Alienware 34-inch, oh wow, my autofocus actually works, the Alienware 34-inch gaming monitor. This is the AW3425DWM, not to be confused with the 3425DW, which is the OLED model of that. This is a 34-inch monitor. I've been running off of a 22 and a 24 side by side for the past 2.5-3 years, and I actually just recently took down the arm that I had it on my desk, and man, does it just feel weird. Here's the current setup with the 24, just the regular 24, and I haven't had a singular monitor sitting on my desk at eye level in ever, actually, because my last desk had a riser on it, and it was just, man. But I'm really excited for this. So I guess introductions aside, let's get down to business right here. I'm actually gonna go handheld here for a second for just a little more information. So it does WQHD at 1440p. I did want 4K, but I don't really think in the 21:9 aspect ratio 4K really exists. It's got 180 hertz. It's got a millisecond response delay time. I don't remember what it's called. It's a VA panel. Yeah, so I've used the OLED version of this monitor before. The 34 is not the DW. I don't remember what model name it was, but it is a couple generations behind. Loved it. OLED is beautiful, don't get me wrong. It's not enough of a difference to really push me for it. And over here it shows you what it's included with. You have the HDMI cable, a DisplayPort cable, an A to B for the included USB hub, and then the power adapter. Obviously we're gonna have the power adapter. Let's get it open. Oh, actually, I guess beforehand, there's some more information. So it's Display HDR 400 certified, FreeSync, and Adaptive Sync. And there's the model number again. All right, so it actually has info on how to open it. Looks like you, open it so it doesn't fall out. Good idea, generally. So don't play with knives, kids. Let's get it sliced open. All right. I'm gonna very, very gently get it placed down onto the floor. Oh, jeez. This is so... This is scary. This is really scary. I've never unboxed anything monitor-wise this large. Well, my video got cut off somehow. So let's get it. Oh, man. Wow, okay. So, let's see what this is in here. This is looking like it is a warranty and regulation information. That can go. Here's the base of the stand, I believe. Yep. Trying to get it in frame. Man, I really like that blue. That is an excellent blue. There's the bottom of it. Has the model number and everything on it. Let's see if I can zoom in a little. Bada bing, bada boom. Should be enough. Here's the arm. Oh man. It's a heavy arm. I'm going to put the arm and the stand off to the side, just so I can take a look at. There's another support guide, I guess. Install guide. I know how to set up a monitor, dude. Here is that B to A cable, or I guess A to B. I don't know. Printer cable. HDMI display port. all that jazz. Always nice to have another display port. HDMI not so much. I have about 1,000,001 of those. And then there's the power cord. So I guess now's the time for the big reveal. Oh man, this is exciting. Oh. All right. I'm nervous. I think to save some time and save some space in the video, I'm just gonna do a little bit of magic right here. Well, all right. That was a lot just then. So now that I've set it up really to my preference, let's see the moment of truth right here. Dude, I'm gonna have to put that into ultra wide. Yep. Truth right here. Let me raise my tripod first. Oh wait, I can't. It's already as tall as it'll go. Let's get the screen turned on. Oh, there's the light of truth. Alienware. Let's go. I think there's a first time setup. Yep, there is. So it's gonna, I guess, guide you through how to use the rocker. Please select English. USB charging. I did not hook up the USB hub. It's like right here on the monitor, I think, or no, it's right here on the monitor. So I'm not gonna enable USB charging right now. And then I guess let's turn on my PC and see. Going into standby mode. No. Oh, there goes the Stream Deck. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna pause and then we're gonna go to desktop. Well, this is gonna take a lot of getting used to. Wow. I mean, just look at that. That is impressive. I paid, I think, $284 for this on Prime Day. And I mean, man. Well, let's go into some. Alright, so here's the display settings. I did notice that when I first booted it up, it automatically went to 60 hertz. So I went and I fixed that. It's now at the 180 or 179.99. So, you know. Math. So in display, it does support the HDRs. I mean, come on. Oh, I was toggling the HDR video. Let's hit play. Obviously, you can't really see it through the camera, but it looks good. It looks good. That's awesome, man. I could turn off HDR as well. I don't know. I'll have to do some tinkering, but for when it comes to first impressions, I mean, man, I'm impressed. I'll say that much. I mean, I gravely underestimated how much of a change 10 inches was going to make, because I went from a 24 to a 34. I mean, like, I think this is gonna do really great editing videos and stuff, because, yeah. Well, I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. I might do a week later, month later, so on and so forth, so keep in check for that. I'll see you next time, and I'll get to editing. I actually did want to add on to it because I do run duals. I have my Mac Mini, and then I have my actual gaming PC, so I did want to do something on Mac OS. It seems that it does not support 100 or, you know, higher refresh rates over HDMI, which is kind of weird to me, because, yeah, I mean, it's popping up as 60 hertz on the monitor and the, so I'm gonna have to do some tinkering with that, because I'm not sure if it's supposed to support, you know, at least 144 hertz over HDMI, but I mean, that is just amazing. So, yep, that'll be it for this video. Finally, one last time. I'm out of words for how stoked I am to actually use this. So, see y'all on the next one.